Team instigating destitution, providing you the solution for the 2020 solution talent. This is the home page regarding to poverty, education, and hunger. First of all, going to the stance, where you get the global stance, the national stance, as well as the causes and mitigation strategies. With each of these pages, you are redirected to the education, hunger, donation, and volunteer pages. Going back to hunger. Now this is the hunger page where you're given information regarding the hunger statistics worldwide as well as in India. You click on this donate now page and this form opens. You fill this page and we tell you the best possible location where you can donate of the food. Going back to education now. This is the page where you're given different questions are being answered regarding education, and then this is now the donate page where you can fill this form and fill what are you willing to donate, which may be books, stationeries, classroom, backboards, slates, or just a place which you may wish to provide. Now going to the donation page. This is the donation page where with different places where you can different ways in which you can donate and help other individuals are in the form of money, food, and clothes. Each of these you click and you get redirected to a form where you fill the form and we tell you the best possible solution. Now going back to the volunteer page. This is the volunteer page where you're given different ways in which you can volunteer and support. Click on the volunteer form. This is the form that you fill in which we tell you which place and which best possible solution is given. Going back to the home page. Now we go to the discussion forum. Since it is not only the given innovations and solutions, we also encourage new ideas and solutions. You go to this page and you fill this form regarding the new solutions that you wish to provide, and we will analyze them. Then comes the discussion page. Thank you. At last, clicking on these names, it opens up to the GitHub, our GitHub profiles, and over here you can contact the team by the team email ID as given here.